Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. As to this back, get what I mean. I have this Kia 2022. This is the Telluride. I don't know if you don't understand what I'm saying. I'm just gonna put it in the description box or the same title. This is the Kia 2022. All right, I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. Okay, you see the setup, all that. All you're gonna do is, the car is running right now, by the way. So here, just gonna play with this guy right here, all right? Then press this guy right here, and it's gonna take you to the gear right there. Okay, now you just scroll down with this until you see the service interval. Then press this like that to go in. You're gonna see that. Okay, now you're just gonna press and hold it. Press it and hold it right there, and you're gonna see the message in a minute. All right, now let it go. It says reset time and distance. Yes, press OK. Press this guy right here. Okay, just press it. You see that? That's how you reset the oil life in this 2022 Kia Telluride. All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video. The feedback, put in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this car. All right, that's the new logo and all that. Shout outs to my subscribers, to my followers. Thank you for love, for support, and I'll see you in the next one. Holla at your boy. I'm Stu Burung Amadi.